So the last couple days we've been exhausted and tired, and so we haven't really filmed much, so I'm just gonna combine the last couple days together to be one video because there really wasn't much going on. A lot of sleeping and catching up on work and stuff. So that is why you're gonna see the next 3 days all in one video. Enjoy. What's wrong?
What's the noise?
Did you hear something?
What's that thing? Why are you recording this?
Because I can.
That's pretty cool.
Good deal.
You like it?
Yeah.
Isn't that neat?
I was more of like, I saw the towel in the corner, so I thought something was like leaking through the walls or something.
Yes, exactly.
If not for the towel right there, I wouldn't.
That's from when they covered Odie's toys.
Oh, I was saying hear water, and I see a towel in the corner, so I thought water was getting.
Your face was a noise.
But you know
That's really cool.
what's so funny, Alex, is I was with her when she bought it. I went upstairs to do some packing, come down, and I thought, I hear water running.
Yeah.
And then you go.
Are you hungry?
I thought it.
Are you hungry?
Okay, I don't know where you guys sit. Which?
Oh, you sit wherever you want.
Sorry,
My new
You
snow
got
globe.
it?
I've been doing it all week.
Let him go.
Thank you. I hope I didn't. Yeah. Hope I didn't.
Best feeling in the world, being home and finally relaxing. Trader Joe's saving the day. Best thing they have there. Can't possible. Now we're watching all Disney movies. What is it, Otis? What is it? Go get it. What's wrong? What's wrong? Lazy bum. What is it, Otis? What is it? Is that a lizard? Is that a lizard? Get him, Odie, get him. Tell him to move it or lose it. What is that? What is that? Oh. What is that? Is that a lizard? You need some help? Hang on. Let me help. What's your nose? Oh, all gone. He left. You did it. You scared him away. You scared him away. Good job. You did it, Odie. Good job, Odo.